Respected principal sir, my dear teachers and you dear students. First of all, I would like to honor once again our Tiranga flag. So just now, while hosting the flag and flag song we have sung, that is Pyara Bharat Desh Hamara. What we sang? So in the song we sang Janda Uncha Rahe Hamara, in that song Pyara Bharat Desh Hamara. How many of you love India? It's obviously everyone must say with bold hearted that I love India. Let us say I love India. So this concept is called patriotism. What do we say? Patriotism. Yeah, patriotism is nothing but love towards one's nation. And here today it's a glorious day for India. And why we celebrate this Republic Day only on 26th January would mean actually Purna Swaraj. What is the meaning of Purna Swaraj? Purna means complete. Swaraj means independence. The Purna Swaraj was announced by the British government 26th January 1930. 26th January 1930, already the British government has announced Purna Swaraj for India, but still we need to be better, and later on we fought for our independence furthermore since it is not done in a better way, and we got independence on 15th August 1947, and just one day before 14th August 1947 Pakistan was divided from us. And before that we have 300 plus Constitution Assembly members, but once the bifurcation is done, bifurcation means the division has done, India is given independence. Once again our great leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister, and Ambedkar and all others, totally 299 members struggled starting from 1946 to 1949. 26th November they completed constitution, but still we waited for 26th January because we are waiting for the day of the 1930 26th January when the British announced Purna Swaraj. Remember that day we waited, though constitution is ready on the day of 26th November, our Indian freedom fighters or the constitution makers waited for that day once again to remember 26th January 1930. The Purna Swaraj, and that day to remember only we are once again celebrating in 26th January as a Republic Day. As it is already known to you, which Republic Day we are celebrating means it is 76th. Most of the students who are sitting and the person who is speaking here and my colleagues behind, we might have not born before, or one or two may be here who are born 76 years back. Almost no one is here. That's what I hear answer from behind. But however, see, as our principals are indicated, the dreams they have for the future. Now, Viksit Bharat is the program announced by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What does that mean? It is the vision document for the 2047. By 2047, how this India should be. So they are going to all over the world, imitating some plans and getting some suggestions and trying to equip nation in the world as the seventh nation striving towards achieving further. As USA stands in first place and Russia stands in second place and China and further it is in seventh place. If you people strive and everyone becomes educated, knowledgeable and skillful, as we are learning in 8th class textbook, human beings also great.